Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see how I create this bright spring look, keep on watching. The primer that I'm going to use is this Urban Decay. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out, or you can use a sponge. And for this look, I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette. And for my transition color, I'm going to use this one right here, which is Jada. And I'm using the H Cosmetics brush, the number 103. And I'm just going to press this shadow on my lid to get most of the color out. And to get a better finish, try to really expand your eyelid so the eyeshadow can go really in between the fine lines. And I'm going to cut my crease with concealer and this brush from Vanilla Planet. Now I'm going to use my Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to mix these two colors right here. And I'm just going to press it again so I can get most of the pigment out. And now I'm just going to really blend it out. For my under eye, I'm going to use the same palette, Back to Brazil, Jello, right here. For the corner of my eye, I'm going to use the green one, and I'm going to use the same palette, Back to Brazil, medium green. And I'm going to use the VH Cosmetic brush 106.